Wow, this guy has no abilities. That's crazy. Alright. Foot cam's not up yet. I'm working on it right now. I think it should be up by like tomorrow or something. Hang on there. Oh. There we go. Oh, it's left alt now. I gotta switch my stuff back. I was trying to get a thumbnail, but I just used stock images. Ooh. Alright, Paul's goat hug's pretty good. I kinda hate this map. Yeah, I'm gonna restart the map. No drones challenge? Okay. Alright. We got a challenge going, no drones. Alright, I see you. I mean, that shouldn't be too hard. I just gotta remember. I think that's gonna be the biggest challenge, is just remembering. Because, I mean, drones are good, but they're not that great. Alright, perfect. Guy seems, I don't know, this character might be a little bit, broken. I just saw somebody joined. I had one more viewer for like half a second. I don't know who that was. But were you watching yesterday? Is that why I constantly had one viewer? Even though nobody was doing anything? Not getting too lucky. Can't grab that. Yeah, I'm not finding too crazy stuff. They're pretty good. Alright, 2 chant shrines. Oh, the multi-shop over there. Alright. God, hit my... It's so powerful for him. This guy would be way better than Loader. I mean, duh, but like, it's kind of crazy how good that form is. And like, his normal form ain't bad, bro. I wouldn't even say he's like worse than like Accurate or anything. I mean, Accurate's not bad. He's just like, you have to get so good at playing him for him to be like good. So it's really just not worth it. Also, he's like not the funnest to play. I mean, all you really do is poison people and then run away. It's like, I'd rather play something else. Hot take, I really like Commando. Everyone seems to not like him or think he's kind of bad. I mean, I'm sure he's not that great. I play him and I realize, you know, he's not the greatest, but really not that bad. As everyone makes him out to seem. Oh. Wow, I'm getting absolutely nothing, bro. This is awful. Ugh. So how are you doing? Alright, I guess I'll go those shrines of chances. Alright, one more. There we go. Jackpot. Alright, and then I grab this equipment, I grab this last Shrine of Champs, and we're on our merry way. Not the greatest items. Oh, that's horrible for us. I don't know why I picked that up. Hey, I might need to restart now. Damn it. I'm really fucking with Void Fiend now. Alright. These times we're gonna get a Void Crate on the first stage. I know it's possible. Okay. I'm missing all my shots. That's a great sign. Is there a little bit of... Is there even... Okay, that's pretty alright, I guess. That's some bleed. I wonder how good the laser proc is. I don't know. So it could be really bad or really good depending on the proc rate. But I'm guessing it would probably be alright, because the whole point of that form is to be overpowered. Alright. I'll take that. Okay, what do we want over here? I guess that, because you don't really want healing. Be kind of nice, I guess, for all the little critters. But like that. Went the wrong way. Got another house and shrine. All of these. Guess I'll take that. Whew, a lot of chests here. No drones though. I remember no drones. Yes? What? Hello? I don't... No, I'm not. I'm fine. I'm not muted. I'm not muted. Reach that guy. I mean, the normal form does have its uses. It's very good. Whoa. Wait, is that... I feel like that's, like, not great on this guy, because it's going to make me charge slower, I feel like. Maybe I scrap this. I'll take that. That's not great. Oh, I can't grab the drone. I can't grab that drone. Do I really have anything that great, though? Not really. Okay, that's nice. Is that, it's up there. The shrine. There's probably some little chests around here. Oh, maybe in the caves. I haven't looked in the caves yet. Okay, nothing here. I guess I'll go fight the boss. Is that a good amount of... I did get a red item. That red item is not very helpful for me. Oh, I can do Halcyon Shrine. Whoa. Black Spike. Whoa. Need AoE, that's what I need. Need some gasoline or something. Probably could have killed me. Yeah, I mean, okay, that's a pretty decent amount of stuff. I really can't complain that much. Sunguard, actually pretty easy. I don't need another red whip hook. Or red whip. I don't know why I call it a hook. I need gasoline, some void items. Yeah. Alright. Yay! Let's go, Void Seed. Okay, that's actually really good. Alright. Uh-oh. Alright, we're gonna probably want that. We could always use some more movement speed. Come on. Yeah. Alright. Upper times, that's really good. Alright, I need to find a scrapper. Honestly, Focus Crystal ain't even that bad. I guess I'll take Focus Crystal again. Mainly for boss killing. Ooh, we're fast when out of combat. Alright, 6 monsters left. Oh, there's a scrapper over there. Jackpot! Are you kidding me? Brother. That'd be nice. Okay. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, recyclers. That's a jackpot. Alright. I need to go use a scrapper. Nice. What do I scrap? Yeah. I'm gonna scrap Eclipse Light, Personal Shield Generator, and I guess Focus Crystals. There we go. And what else? Eclipse Light. This item is really good, so I guess also Crowbar. character does not need crowbar that much. Alright, I'm gonna put 2 in there. Oh, jeez. I think I should be that fast. Yeah, it's definitely fast enough. Ooh, especially with the... Oh. Oh, no, I'm still alive. Tougher times. I really like tougher times. I'm gonna get a lot of these. There we go. Ooh. Ooh, very nice. I don't know if it'll be that great on this character, but I mean, you find an ATG, you kind of gotta take it. Maybe that's just the commando in me, but you gotta take it. Alright, we got... There's the teleporter. How awful. Okay, now I guess I'm gonna go scrap it. Alright. Let's go. Why are there so many menders? God. I guess, bro. I'm getting really unlucky with my greens. Whew. Ooh, 2 damage chests, that's nice. Oh, a large one. I wish I had Sail Star. That would have been great. Where are all the enemies? I need to stop gambling. I'm getting so unlucky with my green items. Kinda crazy. Up to 10. This is sad, I keep losing it. Do we stop with the little grenade things? That's all I'm getting, man. Thank you. Finally, some variety. Holy jackpot. Let's go. Finally. Any there's a chest, trash shop, alright. That I guess. Can't grab that. I mean, I guess that's better. Like, trash versus, like, trash, basically, but one's, like, not as trash. I don't know where I'm going this. Delicate Watch is pretty good. Oh, jackpot. Let's go. It's actually a good item. Like I get increased armor in this mode. I'm barely taking any damage. Holy. I always feel a little bit underpowered, and then I go back into the mode and I realize I'm still underpowered. It's just not in that mode. Why did I pick that up? I have a recycler. I gotta keep using it. What am I doing? I don't know this map very well. Nope. Alright, I mean, I'll take that, I guess. I guess I'll go fight boss. Yeah. That's fine amount of... Gosh, by the way, a little bit. Oh, wow. Ooh, I'm locked in. What is that? Was that one of those invisible chests? I'm rich. We're rich. Let me go check out what's going on over here. Oh, it's just a cap. It's killing me, I guess. I'll probably be fine. Yeah, I got that. Alright. There's the special chest. How expensive do you think it is? Oh, there's also another Void Seed. 5,760. I don't have it yet. Another one. Another one. Oh, hey. Hello. Okay, just a little bit more. Go. That's pretty good. Oh. Okay. Crazy. Got instantly annihilated. Alright, not a great 3D printer. Red chest though. Pretty nice. What's that? Mocha? You know what? I'm gonna play Commando. I want to play Commando. I've been itching to play Commando all day. Give me a Commando run. Alright. Already got crit glasses, so kind of starting out pretty damn good. There's all the Void things. Why wasn't that happening when I was playing Void Fiend? Where were you when I was playing Void Fiend, huh? Paper spaces, thank you. It's very nice. Alright. Got a utility. Topaz Brooch is pretty good. Oh no, I might turn that into crit glasses. Hopefully there's a scrapper here. Okay. Gonna be getting a lot of green items. Maybe early ATG would go crazy, bro. That'd be nutty. 50. Some moolah. I guess I'll go. Yeah, I'll go fight the mountain shrine. I guess. Let's grab that equipment first. Credit card? Sure, I'll take it. Why not? That's enough money. That's fine, I guess. If I was playing False Sun, that'd be really good. But I like to play all the characters except Railgunner. And Railgunner and no, I think I've played. Can't really think of any that I. Oh, I haven't really played Huntress. Like I've played her, but like I haven't like really. You know, like I haven't done more than like 5 rounds with her. I just find Huntress to not feel that great. I don't really know the point because you want proc and fast firing speed, you go on Captain. You want movement, you know, you go on like, I don't know, Mercenary Loader or somebody with great movement. I don't really know why you'd settle for only getting half of it. Like an alright proc and attack speed and alright movement speed. Alright, that's going in the shredder. There's damage over there, that's nice. Feeling ATG today. Jeez, that's a lot of guys. What the hell? Is easy mode really? Kind of crazy. There's a chest over there. I mean, I might just turn all my white items into. But I do gotta. I mean, do I really need crit? Not really. Yeah, no, I don't really need crit. If I accidentally got rid of my bleed, that would be awful, so I guess I'm just not gonna do that. And there's some chest roos. Alright, I'm just not finding all the chests. I'm not great at finding chests. I guess I'll go do the house and shrine. Don't see any chests around. Alright. Ouch. Alright, that's a lot of stone golems. Uh-oh. Wait, am I cooked? Yikes, bro. What is that, like 4 stone golems? My god. There's like 7. Why are there so many stone golems? What is this? Oh my god. I'm so dead. I'm so dead. I'm so dead. Oh, get the hell away from me, beetle. Jesus. Oh, stop. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. No. Let me out of here. Alright. Come on, drones. Deal them, deal them. There we go, there we go. Alright. Can these wisps, like, genuinely just stop, bro? Okay. Why are there so many enemies? Oh, I guess it is medium now. Alright. Makes sense. I guess I will go put my stuff into crit because I have predatory instincts now. No, I'm not actually. Bleed's the only thing carrying me through this. So I'll just go fight the boss now. These stone golems are getting crazy, bro. I desperately need crowd control. Please, just some gasoline or something, bro. There's so many. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Not with me, bro. Come on, Beetle Guard. Beetle Guard carrying. Still have $22? What? Can't even hit your shots. Stop. Is it impossible for me to die? I don't think so. I gotta go.